Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the heading chapter 7 mensuration, right? So in mensurations we are having so many formulas we are having. What are the formulas means? We are learning about the cylinder, cone, right? And then volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone, hollow, hemisphere, sphere, right? So the first heading cylinder and then cone, sphere. So 3 to 4 headings we are having. In this each heading we are having cylinder means hollow cylinder we are having, volume of the cylinder we are having, right? Here also volume of the cone and TSA, CSA curved surface area of a cylinder, total surface area of a cylinder. So many headings we are having. Today we are going to discuss about the heading only cylinder, right? So the first formula is curved surface area of a cylinder. The formula is 2 pi RH centimeter square. So what is curved surface area? What is cylinder? So listen, this is a rectangle shape. We have drawn one rectangle shape, one paper, sheet of paper we are having means rectangle is L into H, L into B. Length into breadth only, area of a rectangle, right? So this rectangle paper only I converted into the cylinder. How we are converting means, listen, this is LB. We are seeing like this means this is rectangle sheet, right? So now this sheet, like this I taken means it forms a one cylinder like shape, cylinder only. So this is called curved surface area, this covered area, outer region, surface area. The paper, what is covered? This is called the curved surface area of the cylinder CSA. So here we like this we change the shape means this breadth will be converted into H. This is H now. This will be circumference. See here, the paper is like cylinder, that is circle shape, circumference area of a circle, right? Here also the same thing, the paper is like in the circular shape in bottom, top and bottom we are having the circular shape. This is like this we are saying means this is called curved surface area of a cylinder. This is cylinder like shape, right? So CSA means they are mentioned the covered area, that is curved surface area means covered area. Which one is covered? The cylinder. This part is covered the cylinder. So what are the parts? One is, so this covered means they are given the formula curved surface area of cylinder means 2 pi RH centimeter square. This like this formula they are given. Then we mentioned this one CSA, curved surface area. I mentioned CSA of a cylinder, right? And then total surface area of a cylinder, total means the whole area, that is this is curved surface area. Total means top and bottom, total means top and bottom of cylinder. So top also we are having one area of a circle, bottom also we are having area of a circle. So this is 2 pi RH CSA. Now we are saying dealing with the TSA of a cylinder, total surface area of a cylinder. Total means this CSA plus top and bottom of the cylinder. So here you are saying means this is called what? Area of a circle. So area of circle formula is what? Pi r square. So top one pi r square, bottom one pi r square. So here I write written 2 pi r square. One is CSA, curved surface area. So 2 pi RH, right? So 2 pi RH plus pi r 2 pi r square. Right. So total surface area means top and bottom of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cylinder. So the formula is I return 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. So this one I return 2 pi r, I take common in both. So 2 pi r means remain h here 1 r. So if we want to write like this means we need to write like this, or both are only same. So where we need these formulas we need to apply in the sum, right? So today we are discussing about the two formulas. One is curved surface area, another one is total surface area. Total surface area we mentioned TSA. Shortly we mentioned TSA means total surface area, CSA means the curved surface area, CSA of the cylinder means curved surface area of a cylinder, TSA means total surface area of a cylinder, curved surface area means 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. TSA means CSA plus 2 times area of a circle. That is I return 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Here I return commonly 2 pi r h plus r. We need to memorize these two formulas. Then listen, exercise 7.1, sum number 1. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its curved surface area is 5500 square centimeter. Find its radius and height. Right? So listen, they are given radius and ratio of the radius and height. So I return that r is to h equal to 5:7. The sum itself they are given. Then CSA is CSA also given 5500. What we need to find? R and h. That is find the radius and height of the cylinder. We need to find. That is they are asking. So this ratio means we write r by h equal to 5/7 for all the sums, for all the chapters. The ratio given means we need to write r by h equal to 5/7. So CSA is 5500 centimeter square. CSA means formula 2 pi RH equal to 5500. Here we need to find R and H. Here we are having R and H both. So we need to find means here we need only one variable, then only we can find. So R equal to 5/7. This H I take cross multiply. H I take here means R equal to 5/7 into H. So 2 into, for this pi 22/7, always pi equal to what? 22/7 into R equal to what? 5/7 into H. So 5/7 into H. Already we are having one H. H equal to 5500. 5 times remaining 2 zeros, I return the zeros. 11 2 times, right? Then 5 1 time, remaining 2 zeros, 5 1 time. This will be over. Then 2 50 times, 2 1 time, 2 50 times. Again I take 2 as 25. Here h and h square. Already 25 written. This 25 written here. 5 into 5. Here 7 only we are having. So cross multiply means 7 into 7. Square we take there means square root. So 5 into 5. 7 into 7. H equal to, instead of square root we are having 2 times means we need to write 1 time 5 and 7. So H equal to 35 centimeter. They are asking find R and H. We find H. Then we need to find R only. So here. R we need to find means we will substitute here. So write 1. Substitute h equal to 35 centimeter in 1. R equal to 5 by 7 into 35. 7 5 times 35. So R equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, they are asking find the radius and height of the cylinder. So we find the height and radius of the cylinder. Right? Thank you.